Okay, in order to get started, we need to download Java and install the JDK kit on or the Java development kit rather, on our machines, and add it to our system environment variable. And then we need to download and install Eclipse. So if we go out to the oracle.com, we can see here we have the Oracle JDK, and we can click and download that JDK and run that installer. And once we have done that, we need to ensure that it is installed properly. So let's check our C drive, and if we go down to our program files and scroll down, we'll find our Java file. We can open up your JDK folder, and here you'll find your bin folder. Now what you'll want to do is copy this path, and we're going to add it to our system environment variable. So we want to go to the properties on my computer, click on advanced system settings, click on environment variables, and down here where you see the system variables header, we can scroll down and find the path variable. Click on edit, and you'll want to add that path to that JDK bin folder. Alright, so that's where all our executables and jar files exist. So I've already added it to my path, so I'm going to just cancel. You should click OK and close out each one of those windows. Alright, so once you have done that, we can come to the eclipse.org website and download Eclipse IDE. I'm using Windows 64-bit. We can see that you can download it for Mac or Linux. Once you've downloaded that file, you can unzip the folder that gets downloaded. And once you extract these files, we can run the eclipse.exe file to install Eclipse on our machines. Alright, so once you have Eclipse installed, we can open it up. You can search for Eclipse. And open up your Eclipse IDE. Alright, so now, in order to create a Java project, we click on File, New, Java Project, and we can create a Hello World project. Click on Finish, and we can expand this. And here we have our source folder and some jar files that comes pre-installed. So to create our new file, our Hello World file example that we looked at earlier, we can right click on the source folder, go to New, Class, and we're going to name this class or greeting class, and we would like to check this box so that Eclipse generates this public void main method for us. So we click on Finish, and here we get our class. Right, so inside our public static void, so inside our main function, we can print something out to our console. System.out.println allows us to print. So we can say welcome to OOP Java. And we can simply click on run that greeting. Okay. And here we see welcome to OOP Java. So we have successfully set up Java on our machine, installed our Eclipse IDE, and also run our first program. So a quick recap: everything inside Java is a class, right? So we can see here that our class is greeting, and inside this class we have our main function, where this is the main entry point in our application. Any code that's within this main function is what gets executed. All right, so, and finally, to print a simple string out to the console, we use the system.out.println, and we print our string, of course wrapped in double quotations. All right, so in the next lesson we'll dive a bit deeper into what an object is, what a class is, and the whole concept behind it. All right, so see you in the next video.